Hey, this will be a video chart on CLGZ. Got a bunch of requests for this one today, and I can see why when it's up over 300%. What we're looking at here is the 5-minute chart. So if you're unfamiliar with charting, what that means is instead of each one of these bars representing a day's worth of price action, which is what you would traditionally see, they just represent 5 minutes worth of price action. And the reason I'm going over this is this chart was basically not trading until today, and today got just a big surge of volume. So this just makes it a little bit easier to see in terms of breaking it down. And on that note, in terms of breaking it down, this one's actually pretty easy. So this video is going to be extra short just because I can basically just draw a chart pattern and we'll see what happens with it the rest of this week, and that's pretty much as easy as that. So let's just get this pattern drawn. What we had here, you can see during the massive increase of volume, this is when a flag pull, if you will, or the pull portion of a pattern is formed. So I'm just going to get that up drawn here. And once again, the pull just means where the big price movement comes. So you can see that during this section of the chart, the price was moving up. There was huge volume during that portion. So that is once more how you draw the pull and where that is. Now, the top portion of the pattern, the resistance, is going to be right here. So I'll change that to resistance to remind everybody red for resistance. And then the support trend line is going to be basically right like this. So let me change that to green for resistance. And real quick, we'll just go over, depending on what you could call this, a bull flag, bull pennant, they both essentially mean the same thing. I'm not going to go into exactly what those mean, just Google it. But it is a bullish pattern, and the other part that kind of completes the equation is, like I was pointing out during the pull, we had the big volume, and then during the flag or pennant portion of it, this whole area in here, you can see that volume was much less than what it was during the upwards movement. So that's what you want to see. So that is where the chart currently stands. Which way is it going to go? I have no idea. Obviously, this being the support trend line, you want to see it maintain this, but if it can break up through here, then that's going to definitely give it another good day for the chart. So, if it does break through the downside of this, support wise, you have, looks like a little bit at 8 cents, and then you'll have some at the 200 period. And if you can break to the upside, you'll have some at 20 cents, and then after that, it's back to being a blue sky breakout. So it's just definitely a wait and see, but for the time being, it's definitely in the bull's favor due to the bull pennant, bull flag formation, whatever you want to call it. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards up to or down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. We've been making some good money together with alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was CLGZ. Thanks for listening.